What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are at the Freedom Factory for holiday lights. We wanted to get festive tonight, so we figured we'd check it out. Here, let me turn the camera around. Turn off the lights. Maybe that'll even be better. Now, Cleetus said no burnouts, Mom, on the tunnel. Or in the tunnel.
You never broke my heart.
How the hell do you know this song?
Work with Randy Comer every day.
Just stop here so we can say hi to Cleetus. Yep, a little. There's Cleetus right here. Say hi, Cleetus. So you're gonna keep left. Yeah. Wow, this is sick. This is pretty freaking cool. Yep, you gotta make it right in here. This is freaking cool. I'm so pumped that they do this. Oh, we should get out of the cart for sure. Here, I'll turn the camera over for you guys to see it. Yeah, we're gonna get out of the car. Yep, that's Cleetus. Well, Santa comes in 7 days.
That's what I just said.
Are you ready for Christmas? Seven days, Ava. 7 days.
When I was little, that's what my dad would take me all the time. You would have been right.
There's the Fiero. Let's walk around for a minute.
A minute.
Oh, we got to move out of the way. Thomas the Train is on his way, or whatever.
You have to buy tickets for that anyway.
What do you think of Cleetus's Christmas village?
Good.
It's good,
Pretty fun.
right? It's like a little winter carnival out here.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right? So
Favorite holiday
the
tunes.
show's gonna start here shortly, so we made it here at the right time.
Please watch your step and take
You excited for the show?
by the hand.
I hope you enjoyed this video. From our family to yours, we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We look forward to bringing you guys more exciting content in 2025. So with that said, we are out of here.